In today's video, we are talking about creating a vision board. We all know how important it is to have your goals and dreams and your visions out plain on paper so you can see it. So I'm going to show you all the things that you're going to need and how to create a vision board that inspires you to go after your goals. So keep on watching. Hi guys, my name's Sarah and thank you for coming back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about personal development, business, and motivation. We are striving towards becoming our best selves. So all the videos that you see here every week are to help you with that. So consider subscribing and please like this video. It helps me out. I want to show you guys how I make my vision boards. I like my vision boards to be super vivid because I'm a visual person.
So to make your vision board, you're going to need a foam board, pictures of course, and text that illustrates some of your goals, and double-sided tape, I suggest it, and some time. Now I'm going to give you guys a little vision board pro making tip, okay? You're going to go on Google Images and find all the pictures that you need for your board. And then what you're going to do is get some pictures of yourself, and using a tool called Canva, you're literally going to put yourself into these images. So right here you see me fixing up my Instagram profile to look the way I want it to look a year from now. So this is what my current one looks like, and then this is what the new one's going to look like, right? I also use that for all the other images as well. As you can see, I've put myself in here with the car that I want, and I use a tool or a site called remove.bg. So I just look for the car that I want, I remove the background from that image, and then I removed the background from an image of myself, and then I came into Canva and just put everything together. So I tell you guys this because if you're visual like me and you really need to see it to feel those emotions or to get those emotions sparked and going, then this is a great way to do it. You could do this also with your travel photos. Just find a picture that you like of the place that you want to go to, and then put the name of the place in Canva. That's what I did for my pictures. Really easy and simple. And then print these in picture form, of course. And yeah, that's the way to make like a really vivid, bomb vision board.
So once you have all of your images that you found on Google, you created them, like personalized them in Canva, all you gotta do is print them off. All of the images, like, you know, the car that you want, the house that you want, the trips you wanna take, whatever, I would suggest that you print those as a photo. It's more vivid, it's more lively, it has more color, it sparks more emotion, you know what I mean? You don't want to print those things in just black and white, regular paper or whatever. It's just not the same. Trust me, it's not the same, because every day when I get up and I look at this vision board, like, I smile, I get excited, I feel the emotion. And that's one of the important things about manifestation and law of attraction and all of that. Yes, you have to put in the work. Yes, you have to write down your goals and your visions. Yes, you have to work towards them. But and yes, you have to think positively, but there's an emotion. The emotion is the thing that a lot of people forget about the law of attraction and manifestation, and that's why a lot of things just aren't happening. You have to put yourself in that feeling. Like, how would you feel if you were driving your car? Like, how would you really feel? Feel that. And then sit in front of your vision board and look at these pictures of yourself and the things that you put on your board and feel those feelings. What would it feel like if you're in these places that you put on your board? What would it feel like when you have that money in your bank account? What would it feel like when you have the body that you want, when you have the business that you want? Whatever your goals are, like, you have to feel it. I have a personal section, a travel section, another personal section which includes like home and the house I want, the car I want, the financial section, the business section, and like partnerships and things like that. Put them in sections. It's nicer, it keeps everything more organized. You've got to make sure you're looking at your vision board every day. There's no point in creating this beautiful vision for yourself, this beautiful masterpiece, and then just throwing it in a corner somewhere and never seeing it. It's not gonna work. Remember, if you have it in a place where it's visible, because even though I don't have it on my wall, I have it in a place where I see it all the time. So even if you're not consciously paying attention to it, your subconscious mind is picking up on all of these things. And especially if you did my little extra tip and put yourself in these pictures, now your subconscious mind is seeing you in front of this house and it says sold, and it's like, huh, that's her house. You know, so it's not set in stone. Like, it's not like, okay, if you put a dollar figure as to how much you want to be making a month, don't get discouraged if next year this time you're not making that exact amount. But look at where you were last year versus this year and see if there's a difference, because if you were working on your goals, there should be progress, right? I can't wait to do a follow-up on this video a year from now to show you guys what has transpired, what has happened, how far I've come, how close I am to my goals. I'm really excited about it, and you guys should be excited to go and start making your boards. And I want you guys, while you're here, to check out some of these other videos on how to grow, on how to thrive, on how to be your best self. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Comment below, what are some of your goals for next year, for this year, 2020 to 2021, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.